Hey, when the world is up. So, earlier, you saw me going back home and ito naman yung biyahe namin pauwi. But before we went there, we made a quick stop going to the north. So, like I said, Christmas time is all about the ones we love, our loved ones, our families. We decided na pumunta doon sa Valenzuela to visit yung aking lolo. And this would be the first time na makakabisita ako doon ever since they moved to their new house. So, umalis na kasi sila sa Maysan, and that in itself kasi has a lot of fun memories para sa akin. Pero dumaan kami dito sa may Santa Cruz. So, dumaan din kami dito sa may NLEX. Kami ay pumasok papunta dito sa Paso de Blas. And mula doon, hinanap lang namin yung titira nila. Actually, naligaw nga kami na ilang beses eh. Pero it's all good. So, at least alam na namin kung saan kami pupunta sa susunod should we visit si Lolo. So, sakto, gising pa siya, no? Nag-aasaran sila ni mother eh. So, parang tinatanong kung naalala pa ba? Kung nakalimutan na. Good times. It's always nice to see this picture. So, they're doing okay naman. Mainit lang daw doon pagdating ng gabi. And mga ganitong bagay para sa akin, it actually means a lot more for my dad. Kaya, alam mo yun, kahit sobrang konti lang or kahit sobrang dalang lang, kahit mga ilang oras lang, if my dad has the opportunity to do it, he'll do it. So pumunta kami dito sa may NLEX at nag-aya na lang yung dad ko na kumain dahil kasi hindi pa sila kumakain galing Batangas eh. Kenny Rogers was open kaya dito kami pumunta, kumuha ng chicken, kumuha din ng rice, isang kagat ng chicken, properly cooked. Sama natin ng rice, just round it out. Panalo yun. Kasama din namin si Tito Benji, yung brother ng dad ko. And now, took a picture lang din. Sabi ko kay Lolo, pag nagkaroon siya ng cellphone, video call kami. At least I could do, diba? Ganun eh. Yung mga ganitong bagay, we take it as much as we can. Lalo na my Lolo's already in his 80s. Really means a lot. So, we move out. And mula dito, kami naman ay nag-drive pa south. So, dumaan na kami ng Skyway at kami ay lumusot dito sa Maipa, SLEX. From here, pumunta kami ng Starbucks for a quick coffee run. And with one sip, that's what's up.